Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image into a PDF file. This works with common image formats like JPG, JPEG, and PNG, and you can do it directly from your browser using Google Docs. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser. Go to Google Docs and sign into your Google account if needed. Once Google Docs opens, click blank to create a new document. Now find the image you want to convert on your computer. You can simply drag the image into the Google Docs document. Once the image appears, you can resize it if needed by clicking on it and dragging the corners. You can also reposition it on the page so it fits the way you want. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click File at the top left corner. Hover over Download. Then select PDF Document, WAG PDF. Google Docs will now convert the document and download it as a PDF file. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder. You should see the new PDF file there. You can open it to make sure the image was converted correctly. If you want, you can also rename the PDF file before uploading or sharing it. And that's how to convert a JPG, PNG, or other image into a PDF using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.